Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word together in English. As you can see from this slide, it's a 3-syllable word and the main stress is on syllable 2. So repeat after me, together. Focusing on syllable 1 then, we've got a short t followed by the schwa vowel. And together that sounds like t. Repeat after me, t. Syllable 2 then has the voiced g, a short e, and then the voiced v. So we need to put the tongue between the teeth for the v and also vibrate the throat. Putting all of that together, syllable 2 sounds like gev. Repeat after me, gev. And syllable 5 is just the schwa, the weak schwa vowel, so that's And you'll notice the small r there. That activates if the next word begins with a vowel sound. But today we're saying this word in isolation, so we won't activate it. So putting it all back together, remembering to stress syllable 2, repeat after me nice and loud, together. And before we finish, my top tip for this word is don't pronounce that first vowel too strongly. When we look at the word, we might be tricked into thinking that it's an ah or an o or an oo possibly, but it's just a weak schwa. So that's t, together. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, go ahead and hit like to support the channel. And if you've got any words you would like covering in future videos, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.